I have a very unstable internet, so maybe let's remind ourselves of very random stuff. So to open the terminal, Ctrl Alt T, that's the shortcut for opening the terminal. To increase the font, Ctrl Shift plus. So to reduce the font, Ctrl and then minus. So as simple as that. So what I wanted to show is that you can access applications straight from the terminal. So you can say Firefox. And you will open Firefox. How about Chrome? So to stop it, Ctrl C, exiting due to channel error. So that is, you just exited. What about Chrome? Let's open Chrome. I have Chrome installed. So Chrome not found. So you have to say Google Chrome. And it opens Chrome. What is it saying here? All these errors. Because I have several profiles, I guess. So let's if you want some sound, you can just type sound here. Then we are using pulse audio volume control. We have playback, recording, output devices. Can adjust them here. Input devices configuration. Then what else? The internet. So let's check something else. Yesterday I explained file permissions in Linux and I was moving very fast. Maybe let me briefly show it. LSL CD X. I removed exercise. CD. So LSL. So when we say, I'm just repeating this because there is no internet, so and there's nothing I can do. So I'm just trying to remind you. So this dash here means it's a regular file. R means read. W means write. X means execute. This is because it's a regular file. But if it was a directory, in case of for directory, reading is like what we are doing right now. We are reading what is inside here. When I click this, I am moving towards it. I am traversing it. So it's this expert. Let me. You see, this is a directory. This C. We are in C right now. So let's take an example of that C. So we are seeing this C. When we click it like this, it is traversing. So it's this X here. This X. It allows us to move from to C, to move inside C, to move inside C and see everything else. You can even click this one. So that's actually what we mean by execute. You are executing. But when you execute, when you are, let's say, when you click C and you see the files inside it, files and folders inside, you are reading. So writing, I explained it so fast yesterday. Writing, which is W, is like creating another folder. So you are writing into it. So it's the W part. So the W part here that we have. So the owner, which is me, can read, write, and execute. The group can read, write, and execute. The others can read and execute, but they cannot write into it. So if you have access to this folder of mine here, meaning you are others, you can only see what's inside it. You can click and see what's inside it, but you cannot create another folder. That is what it means by this one. That is what it means by you can read, you can execute, but you cannot write, because this is a directory. But for it's almost the same for a regular file. So let's say for this one, practice that I created, practice is here in the GUI version. So in the GUI version, practice is, where's practice? See inside path strict user. So practice, if you are from a different, if you are others, remember this one is read, write, execute, owner or user, read, write, execute, group, read, that other people can read and execute. They cannot write into it, they cannot write, they cannot update the contents inside here. So if I double click like this, I am the user, I can add something. We can even remove some we can even remove some things. So and then press S, or I may not even save it, close without saving. So it means I can write into it, but let's try to remove the right part in this. So in our practice file, so cd part 3 lsl. So when we remove, let's remove something. Let's remove this. Let's remove right. So we can just say chmod user minus right. We don't want to write. We don't want the user to write. And then practice. And then let's see. Let's see now if I can still add something into it. This practice. Let's press Ctrl S. Save. Let's save. Let's save and see. Save. The file on battery is read only, so it is refusing to save because we have removed the privileges. Just say u minus w. So I think that is what I missed out yesterday, but this was just to really pressure because I don't have internet. So I think that's it. What else? I might think about something else as I wait for the internet to come back. There's no time to waste. So don't forget to like and subscribe.